Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it is important to know that I'm here to help you prepare for your IELTS speaking exam with tips, strategies, and sample answers. In today's video, we're going to dive into an important cue card topic that many of you might get in the exam. I'll be sharing a well-structured response that you can use as a guide to prepare your own answer. So, if you're aiming to score high in the speaking section, make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to take notes. Please subscribe our channel for latest cue cards. Describe a risk you took that you thought would lead to a terrible result but ended up with a positive result. You should say, when did you take the risk? Why did you take the risk? How did it go? And explain how you felt about it. My decision to change my career path by studying for the IELTS exam and deciding to study overseas was one of the riskiest decisions I have ever made. I was somewhat anxious about this choice at first since I wasn't sure if I would succeed, but it ended up being one of the best ones I have ever made. When I made the decision to continue my study in a nation that speaks English, I took this chance a few months ago. I had been comfortable and taking the same route as most of the folks around me up until that point. But deep down, I've always wanted to see different cultures, learn new things, and look for greater prospects. The IELTS exam presented the largest obstacle, particularly the speaking section, which I found challenging. I was worried that my prospects of being accepted into a reputable university may suffer if I couldn't obtain a high band score. I took the chance and began studying for the test in spite of my reservations. I routinely worked on my vocabulary, took practice exams, and practiced speaking. At first, I thought I wasn't getting well quickly enough, which was frustrating. But rather than give up, I exerted more effort. I also followed organized preparation techniques and asked professionals for advice. I was shocked to see that my IELTS score was significantly higher than I had anticipated when I finally took the test. This greatly increased my self-confidence. In retrospect, I see that this risk was well worth it. It not only improved my IELTS score but also altered the way I view difficulties. I discovered that although taking chances might be frightening, they frequently result in favorable consequences when done with commitment and hard work. I only had a mental fear of failing, and as I confronted it, my confidence in my skills increased significantly. I was really relieved and proud to have accomplished my aim. I learned from this experience that sometimes the things we are most afraid of end up being the things that improve our life. Knowing that risks frequently yield enormous benefits has made me feel prepared to take on even greater difficulties in life. For watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and resources on mastering English. Leave a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next. Good luck with your IELTS preparation, and see you in the next video.